All right, thank you, Mark. And now on Eyewitness News, a company that closed a chain of offices is delaying the release of medical records, and that is creating problems for patients in need of a new doctor. But now the state is getting involved. Channel 3's Mike Savino has the latest.
InHealth Connecticut closed its offices abruptly in April as its owners face legal and financial problems. But that's left its patients without access to medical records. Now, the Attorney General's office is getting involved. InHealth gave patients little notice before closing offices in Norwich, Mystic, and this one in Windham. That was in April, and 2 months later, patients are still waiting for medical records. Now, the Attorney General's office is pushing InHealth to hand over those records. State law requires the company to do so within 30 days.
We've told them about the procedural deficiencies here because obviously people have not gotten what they're entitled to.
Assistant Attorney General Thomas Ryan said his offices received 3 complaints, but they learned the issue affected even more people after talking with the Department of Public Health. Ryan said the office isn't launching an investigation at this time and just hopes InHealth will turn over records in compliance with state law.
It's not clear what we'll do or what we would discover as we go forward, but our primary focus right now is to get these people the records they need.
The Department of Public Health didn't respond to a request for comment Monday. Meanwhile, InHealth closed in April, giving patients less than a month's notice. Thomas Alcott, owner of InHealth Connecticut, said requests for medical records are, quote, being processed in accordance with state and federal law, end quote. He declined to comment further on the advice of an attorney. But Alcott is named in an administrative complaint by the Securities Division of the Massachusetts Office of the Secretary of the Commonwealth, accusing ARO Equity of operating a Ponzi scheme. The complaint says Alcott helped hide the involvement of Glastonbury resident Thomas Renison in the Peabody-based ARO Equity. Federal regulators in 2014 barred Renison from having any more involvement in investment firms. Efforts to reach Renison Monday were unsuccessful. Now, the Attorney General's office says that anyone who's still having difficulty getting access to their records can either file a complaint through the Attorney General's office's website or by calling 860-808-5420. From Windham, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.